Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying system readiness. Make a quick iCloud or Finder backup, sign into your Apple ID, and connect to Wi-Fi so changes and downloads finish cleanly. Once that's set, open the Settings app and use the search field to jump directly to the area you need. For example, Display, Notifications, or Privacy. This avoids digging through menus and gets you to the first actionable toggles fast so you can change core behaviors immediately. Now you'll work through the important middle steps that affect daily use. Tap Display and Brightness to set text size and appearance, then Notifications to control banners and sounds per app. Move to Privacy for location, camera, and microphone permissions so apps only access what you allow. Make targeted changes like disabling background app refresh or customizing Control Center. Use the settings search to find deeply nested options quickly, and when possible toggle. Finish by verifying each change. Restart your iPhone to ensure major adjustments fully apply, then test core functions, make a call, trigger a notification, and confirm location services work as expected. If an app still misbehaves, sign out and back into your Apple ID or update the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings won't save or networking acts strange, reset network settings first. If problems persist, reset all settings. But be aware this preserves data while restoring defaults, so you'll re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.